let's go ahead and take a look at the current situation in this room. I have packed a lot more since I think the last couple of clips, or I really don't remember what I've done on camera and not on camera. I moved some of the Christmas trees in here because I'm not going to be using this room. Yeah, so I've got those boxes there. I've got recent hauls and stuff there. I took this stuff down, which was on this wall right here. So we got it taken down, and then I just have some random stuff everywhere. That's Christmas stuff. And yeah, I basically just need to continue to get all of this stuff into boxes, because when I look at this room, it just doesn't look packed. There are boxes, but it doesn't look like it's ready to go. So I want to make sure that everything just looks ready to go. So here is all the progress I made. This was out in the hallway over there, and I just moved it in here. That way, you know, when the movers come, it's all just like in this one room, and it's just more organized. I have an open box. I need to fill it with some more things, probably from this, or is it empty? Yeah, I probably need to throw in those bottom things into here. And then otherwise, this piece is empty and ready to go. I pulled out some boxes from in there and just kind of like stacked them and moved them in here. And then this stuff right here, I'm actually just going to handle and take myself. Yeah, I just didn't want to box crates. I thought that was kind of random. And then what I can do is, like, if I make a trip myself, I can bring these crates back and then do like the pantry items and things like that. I do have to take this mirror off of this, but obviously it's up against the wall right now, so not gonna happen. In this corner is just stuff that I'm using to kind of pack breakables in, so we're just keeping that stacked in a corner. This bag is holding trash, and I pretty much went through all of these drawers too. So I got everything cleaned up except for this one, which has the ribbon, but it's not that heavy, so, you know, like, we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna set you up here. I do need to get more boxes, and actually in a video that I was just editing, I talked about how I was gonna order like a set of 12 for like $30 from Amazon, but that's actually not a good deal at all. Thanks to someone who left a comment on those boxes reviews and was just like, no, it's just so much cheaper from Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's so true. I mean, they're like half the cost actually of what it is on Amazon. So I need to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get more boxes because I'm running out of the ones that I kept to move into here. And so when I go to Lowe's or Home Depot, then I'll need that, what do they call that? That plastic wrap, so that I can wrap anything with drawers. Because I really want to do like as much legwork as possible, because I don't like moving day. It's to me, it's not an exciting day. Comment down below, let me know if you love moving day, or if you're just like, no, I'm so happy once like moving is over. But that's how I feel. I just the less time with the movers as possible is like more ideal for me. I felt like I did a really good job today. I tackled quite a bit, and I feel like overall this room is almost there. If you're wondering what this pile is right here, that's actually a new video that I'm going to be introducing to my main channel. It's going to be my Dollar Tree favorites of what I hauled in that month. The idea kind of dawned on me because I was watching beauty gurus do like their makeup and spa beauty favorites for every month, and I was like, why don't I do that for Dollar Tree stuff, right? Like, that's like, I love those kinds of videos, and I feel like a lot of you are interested in some of my favorite stuff, especially when, you know. Anyway, so as far as packing goes, I think I'm done for the day. I think my back has, I don't want to overdo it because I don't want to injure my back again. So even though I could keep going, I'm not going to. If I do anything tonight, I might go through my pantry and start, you know, going through things that are probably expired or stale, you know, that's kind of stuff. But yeah, so then after I finished packing, I took Loxy for a walk, and I just came back. I've been super parched today, so I feel like I tackled everything I wanted to tackle for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for where my vlogs are gonna go. I want to vlog more. I want my vlogs to be better content, and for those of you who've stuck around through some videos, when I export, I'm just like, they're not gonna like this, it's gonna be boring, or, you know, like, it's gonna be really hard to hold your attention. And for those of you who still watch my videos and stay subscribed, mind blown, truly. I can't even describe that. So, and for all of my new subscribers, thank you so much too. And I really, really want 2020 to be my best year yet. And I'm very excited to share bits and pieces of my life with you. So that's it. I'll see you guys later.